In this video, we're going to look at adding a new till map. To do that, go to the option called EPOS and then choose Till Map Designer. Here, go to the option called Map Layers and you'll see a list of all the current layers in the system. For this example, we're going to create a layer called Hot Drinks. To do this, choose New Button Layer and you'll be given a list of all the different templates. The standard template for the system is this one here, Large Button Template XGAB. Click on the entry and you'll be shown the template. First thing to do is give the new layer a name. You're now free to add your products onto the screen. When doing this, ignore the buttons along the top because they'll be automatically populated with your function buttons, things like print receipt, void item, etc. And ignore the buttons along the bottom because they'll be automatically populated with the menu buttons. To add the buttons onto these screens, choose the option called Products. You'll be now given the search option. Search for the items you want to add. So here we're going to look for the hot drinks and hit search. This will now display any products who have been assigned to that group. We then drag the products onto the screen. Once the products are on the screen, we can color them. If you want them all to be the same color, click on the first so you can see the green etching around the outside, and then on your keyboard, hold down the control button, which will allow you to set multiple items. You'll see they all have the green etching. Now, whatever options you change over on the right-hand side, so for example, background, choose a background color, and if need be, change the font to bold. Once you're happy all your settings are done, choose the option called Save. You'll now be asked, do you want to create a till map for this new map layer? Hit Yes, and you'll be taken to this screen here called Till Map Editor. Here, what we want to do now is add the function buttons along the top and the menu buttons along the bottom. To do that, we go to Add Layer and choose the option here, Map Links and Functions. As you can see, it's added the function buttons along the top and the menu buttons along the bottom. You'll also notice that the menu buttons along the bottom will be missing the option for hot drinks. So now we need to go and add that link on. Hit Save Map to save what you've done. And now go back to the main Till Map Designer screen. Again, choose the option called Map Layers. And this time, go to the option called Map Links and Functions. To add a function button, we need to go to this option here called Till Map Functions. On the right hand side, it will give you a list of all the current functions for the system. They're all in alphabetical order, so now if we go down to the M's, we can see here the option called Map Link. Drag this option onto the square you want it to go to, and click it to reveal the properties on the right hand side. At the bottom of the screen here, where it says Till Map Unknown, click where it says Unknown, and it will give you a list of all your current maps. Choose the map you want it to link to, and we can now see this one's for hot drinks. Click Save, and then to send this new information out to the tills, click Till Map Designer and click Publish Maps. Your new till map will appear on the till within a couple of minutes, where you'll now have a hot drinks menu. Thank you.